Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I thought I would do something a little bit different today, and that is to show you some of my customer creations. Now these creations have been shared. Now the photos are my customers' own photos. They've openly shared them with me. All the supplies have been purchased on the website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and I'll put all the links below for you. Now also in the description you'll find my email address, and I'm always saying I would love to see what you're making, and I really do love to see everything. I really do take enjoyment from seeing what you've made. If you have placed an order on the website, thank you so much. We really appreciate your orders. You know, it really does help those little fur babies of ours that we look after. And also donations to, I try to support some squirrel charities, ratty charities, little bits here and there, but it all helps. Hoping to get back into the wildlife transporting again. It did actually close down from lack of volunteers, so that's something else that your orders all help towards. So I look forward to seeing your creations, and if you've got a Facebook group, a website, and you want me to share that, I will put the details on your images for you. You'll see someone has shared their, I believe it's their Etsy link, but you know, as long as you're happy, I'm happy to share on my socials for you. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. To really help me, you don't have to buy anything, just by liking the video, putting a comment underneath, an extra little kiss underneath is absolutely fine. It just helps me get seen, and obviously, you know, I haven't been going for very long. It just helps me, just helps my channel get out there. So I will stop rambling away and show you the lovely creations that my customers have shared with me. So take care and happy crafting. These are cabochon hair clips, and they're available in different colours. Some have 5 settings, some have 4. And each setting is 12mm, so they fit a 12mm cabochon. The photos you are about to see feature Dorset buttons, which is something I hadn't actually heard of before. Dorset buttons are thread-covered buttons created with embroidery stitches. These buttons become well known in the county of Dorset, England, in the UK. These are sometimes referred to as cartwheel buttons. Here we have another hair clip, and I believe the customer has made their own cabochons for these, but aren't the colours gorgeous? Next up we have some silver necklace chains. This design is a snake chain and is available in lots of different sizes. The customer has made their own resin lightning bolts and turn them into pendants. You can also see their shop link if you want to go and take a look. I love the vibrant colours on the glitter lightning bolts. Next up we have some cabochon earring settings. Again, they're available in lots of different colours and sizes. Here we have some zebra print cabochons. Animal print is very popular on my website. The cabochons are actually available in lots of different vibrant colours. Next up we have some fabulous yellow earrings. These would be great for Easter or the summertime, and I think the customer might have made their own resin cabochons for these. These are jewellery connectors, and as you can see they have loops on the end and join your pieces of jewellery together. These ones are made of stainless steel, available in lots of different sizes. This customer has used the connectors to make earrings. You can see they've added the earring wires, and the other end they have added some tassels. I believe they have used some of my resin foil fleck cabochons for the centres. Here we have some leopard print cabochons, again animal print, very popular. I sell lots of cabochons. I literally have thousands. Just like people collect buttons, I collect cabochons. Here the customer purchased 12mm earring settings and cabochons, and you only need a dab of glue for these to make lovely presents for people or yourself. Here is a silicone mould, and these are used to make 3 pendants. I also stock the resin for these. Look at this pendant that's been made. It's obviously a memory type pendant, and it has hair. It could be human hair, pet hair. This one also has hair. Very popular for memorial jewellery. There is a video where I tried resin and making resin rings for the first time, if you want to take a look at that one. These I absolutely love. These are very large. They're 30mm by 40mm, and they're colour changing moodstone cabochons. Very retro. And these change colours from the heat of your body, and available in lots of different sizes. These are absolutely stunning, and this is a customer of mine from the US, and he uses the large 40mm oval cabochons. Look at the wire work. Isn't that amazing? I would love to be able to do this. I can wire wrap simple rings, which I've done a video on, but maybe we could do a video on some beginner wire wrapping. We could try to learn together through trial and error. Here we have some silver curb chain, and this is sold by the meter. And look at this beautiful bracelet that's been made using lots of different blue coloured buttons. So pretty. And last of all, we have some cabochon ring settings. Again, just like the earrings, very easy to make if you're using a ready-made cabochon. How beautiful is this ring? I'm not actually sure what's inside, whether this is cremation ashes. It certainly does look like it, but I'm not 100% sure. And here we have some more beautiful rings here. Lots of different colours and patterns. This one has the eye of their partner. Isn't that cool? And so very different. And the very last item to show you, almost an opalescent ring. I do love this ring. Opal is my birthstone, my favourite. I do hope you enjoyed this video, something a little bit different. Remember, if you want to send me your photos, I'll link the email below. Please like the video, leave a comment, it really helps. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I have lots of tutorials available. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.